NASA has finally returned to the moon. Give me a second. Is it recording? Return to the...
Okay.
3! What are you looking...
6 months?
1 second, please. That's a lot of gas. Oh, Lordy.
Without an accent?
A lot of gas.
Without an accent?
Yeah. I did that.
Is that why the astronauts are cramped, such a small...
It sounds like one... It's like the whole rock is just like one...
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I yawned.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Go again.
I didn't really see it separate.
Wow, I bet you really need... You.
How much paper do you need to print?
Alright, that was it basically, guys.
Should I turn off the camera? Like today?
Don't forget to hit those like